So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
And I would like to have a second chance on probation.
Have you done anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Court is calling 2022 CR 11474W, State of Texas versus Destiny Argumeta. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
John Young for the defense.
And are you Miss Argumeta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Amanda Argumeta who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 11474W for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on December 6, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State.
Violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Amanda Argumeta.
Argumeta.
Okay, I can't say that. Committed the offense of theft, 2,500.
Case number 1, State of Texas versus Destiny Argumeta. In this proceeding, the court reviews a request to revoke community supervision for Destiny Argumeta. She was on deferred adjudication for the unauthorized use of a vehicle. The state moves for revocation due to her noncompliance with the terms, and because she committed a new felony offense.
The 30,000 vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
What we're asking.
No. Any objections to the waivers?
No.
All right. Ms. Argumeta, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years into the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court would find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, there was an agreement in that they were going to TIC and dismiss the new charge.
That is correct.
She is requesting the court to allow her to stay on probation. I can't get around here.
Mhm.
With 4 documents, there are certificates of classes she's attended while she's been in the jail.
Any objections to the court reviewing this?
No, Your Honor. The state has reviewed those areas.
Okay.
As we said earlier, Your Honor, this young lady had been.
Destiny pleads for a second chance, presenting certificates from classes she completed while in custody. Despite this, the court decides to grant the motion. She is found guilty and sentenced to 18 months in a state jail facility. The judge also recommends her participation in a therapeutic community for substance abuse support.
Evaluated for competency, was found competent. She wants to stay on probation, and what she would like to do is have you put her in outpatient treatment. At the same time, I've advised her that if you do keep her on probation, that there is a high probability that there would be residential drug treatment. As you can see, she's taken some anger management classes, the AA classes, and I don't understand what the other one is. It looks like it's a dignity class for women, and I don't know what the basis for that was.
All right, probation.
Probation recommendation is to revoke due to the new felony offense, and she absconded with non-compliance.
All right. Ms. Argumeta, is there anything you...
The judge provides stern guidance, emphasizing that Destiny needs personal stability before she can attempt to reestablish a role in her children's lives.
wish to say?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Amanda Argumeta, and I would like to have a second chance on probation. I will attend the classes. I will go to everything. I was still on my my drug problems like then, but I'm completely done with it. The thought of drugs, like I do not even want to think of it. Makes me want to puke. Like just thinking back and hearing my kid's voice, my daughter's voice. My kid's dad is waiting on getting back with me, getting the family back together. And I just really want to go back to that.
How old are your children?
3 and 4, ma'am.
All right, and who's taking care of them?
Their father.
All right, so were your parental rights terminated?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you just dropped them off with the father?
I decided to leave when I was on drugs. And yes, I was really bad on them, but I did stop.
All right. So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
Case number 2, State of Texas versus Theodore Joel McCullough. This case involves a plea agreement regarding the charge of evading arrest or detention, classified as a second-degree felony. The defendant pleads true to the charges and acknowledges his prior felony convictions for enhancement purposes.
I did not attend because I was just.
No, I mean, have you done anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else from either side? Any other questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right. You have a question?
Why should the judge believe that you're going to do what you have said you're going to do and that you didn't do last time?
Because I'm really committed to it. I'm honestly, and I apologize for not going to my probation and everything. Like, I apologize. I'm really committed to completing it this time.
And why did the previous attorney have you evaluated for competency?
And we didn't talk about the case, right? And
Okay. And you're not on any medication now in the jail?
no, sir.
No other questions, Your Honor?
All right. Any questions from the state?
No, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting? I know you're requesting revocation. The court is going to grant.
The court accepts the plea and sentences him to 3 years in prison, suspended, and replaced with 4 years of community supervision. The judge outlines comprehensive conditions for his release. First, community service, 200 hours required, with potential reductions if he completes parenting classes and pursues educational or vocational goals. Second, evaluations, mandatory gang and therapeutic assessments, with instructions to follow all professional recommendations. Third, restrictions, strict rules concerning employment and housing, and a prohibition on unsupervised contact with minors.
The motion, the court is going to find you guilty and the court will not grant you community supervision. State, how much time are you asking for?
The state was requesting 12 months in the state jail facility, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, she currently has 116 days in Bexar County Jail on this case, and we're asking the court to grant her a request for 6-month sentence.
All right. If you want, at the state jail facility, they do have a therapeutic community, and that does not increase the time that you have been in custody. If I were to sentence you to 6 months or 12 months or 18 months, that will still be your sentence. And therapeutic community is just there to help you. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We can go off the record. So, Ms. Argumedo, I always review everything. And when you were placed on deferred adjudication, and here there were several cases that were taken in consideration. And so the only thing that you've done since you were on probation with me was pick up another theft case, and you're on probation for unauthorized use. You're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them, and you can't go running on their.
Throughout the hearing, the judge emphasizes the importance of personal accountability, encouraging the defendant to break the cycles of his past and commit to a positive future for the sake of his children.
Doorstep creating chaos and upheaval. If you get your life together, you can probably slowly enter their life. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.